Hello dear students, very good morning to everybody. Let us in continuation of our part, this is what preparation of the aromatic aldehyde. So that is we have completed all types of the reaction, that is preparation of the aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde. Herein we will part also we will discuss the summary of the preparation of aromatic aldehyde. Summary of the preparation of aromatic aldehyde. ऐसे कितने टाइप्स के रिएक्शन हैं जिससे हमने मतलब रिएक्टेंट्स है, ऐसे कितने रिएक्टेंट है, ऐसे कितने रिएक्शंस है कि उसमें हमने aromatic aldehyde फॉर्म किया. So that is we want to this the preparation of aromatic aldehyde. Okay ना? So this is what a CHO, this benzaldehyde. अब यहाँ पे हमको क्या करना है, बेंजाल्डिहाइड फॉर्म किया है, बेंजाल्डिहाइड सिंथेसिस किया है. ऐसे कितने रिएक्शन है? So that is what the first reaction starting from writing here. This is what CS2Cl, benzyl chloride. So this benzyl chloride is treated with what? HMTA, hexamethylene tetramide, in presence of acidic hydrolysis. We can say this is what a hexamethylene tetramide. It is a urotropine. It is treated and is followed by hydrolysis in acidic condition. So such types of the reaction is nothing but what a Somlate reaction. The name of the reaction is what a Somlate reaction. इस reaction का नाम है Somlate reaction. So the next case we are discussing, this is the preparation of this aromatic benzaldehyde. Again starting from this is the toluene molecule. This toluene is reacted with what? That is a CrCl2O2 and in presence of carbon disulfide. This is the chromic chloride of chromyl chloride of chromic acid is in the presence of carbon disulfide, formation of the benzaldehyde after hydrolysis, again acidic condition. So that is what hydrolysis is not a acidic condition. So what happens? Formation of benzaldehyde. Such types of the reaction is known as what? Itard's reaction. The name is what? Itard's reaction. So that is our next one, the starting reactant molecule, again benzene, this toluene molecule. If it is reacted with what? That is Cl2 in presence of sunlight, HNO, and followed by second types of the reaction condition, most important, hydrolysis in acidic condition. There is formation of benzaldehyde. If it is again again we are having this preparation of the again benzaldehyde by using what? SeO2. Directly I am treated with what? SeO2, selenium dioxide, again hydrolysis in acidic condition. This is again oxidation of toluene by using selenium dioxide, hydrolysis acidic condition, halogenation, chlorination. This allyl chlorination is takes place. Such types of the chlorination, so that is using Cl2HNO as well as using the NCS, N-chlorosuccinamide or N-bromosuccinamide. This is most effective from the allyl types of the carbon atom. This is the halogenation takes place as a allylic carbon by using NCS and NBS, N-bromosuccinamide and N-chlorosuccinamide. So again preparation methods of benzaldehyde starting from we are having these types of the reactant molecule C double bond OCl, benzoyl chloride. This benzoyl chloride is reacted with the S2PD, hydrogen palladium and what? Barium sulfide BaSO4, starting from benzoyl chloride. These types of the reaction I am writing here. The name of the reaction. This is what? The name of reaction, Rosenmund reaction. So that is nothing but what? Rosenmund reaction. The name of the reaction, it is what? A Rosenmund reaction. Benzoyl chloride to benzaldehyde by using hydrogen palladium and barium sulfide. So again the preparation methods of this is the benzaldehyde starting from we are having the benzene nucleus is here. We are having benzene. So which one types of the reaction? That is what we are to having this one types of we are addition of here HMTA hexamethylene tetramide here again. So in presence of hydrolysis in acidic condition. Most important, the types of the reaction is formulation. It is nothing but what a Duff reaction. The name of the reaction is what a Duff reaction. The formulation of this aromatic nucleus by using HMTH plus, this is known as Duff reaction. Again, using the POCl3 and DMF, that is the most important. POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride. I can say POCl3 phosphorus oxychloride in presence of dimethyl formamide, DMF, dimethyl formamide. So types of the conversion, this is benzene to benzaldehyde. The types of the reaction is nothing but what? Wilsmer-Hack reaction. What I can say? Wilsmer-Hack reaction. The types of the reaction is what? A Wilsmer-Hack reaction. So next we are having, this is what a benzene nucleus again. It is what? One of the most important reaction. So that is using what? A SCN hydrochloric acid in presence of Lewis acid using the ZnCl2. We can take the CO, carbon monoxide hydrochloric acid. Again the Lewis acid, we can take ZnCl2. So the types of the product is obtained. This is what? Benzaldehyde. So benzene to benzaldehyde by using the hydrogen cyanide and hydrochloric acid in presence of zinc chloride. Such types of the reaction is known as what? Gattermann reaction. What is the name? Gattermann reaction. इस reaction को कहते हैं Gattermann reaction. If you instead of hydrogen cyanide using the carbon monoxide, that is the mixture of carbon monoxide plus hydrochloric acid in the presence of zinc chloride or Lewis acid, whatever may be this ZnCl2 as well as AlCl3, the starting from benzene to benzaldehyde using carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid, such types of the reaction is nothing but what? Gattermann-Koch reaction. इस रिएक्शन को कहते हैं Gattermann-Koch reaction. SCN-HCl ZnCl2 Gattermann reaction. COHCl ZnCl2 Gattermann-Koch reaction. So